Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
This video shows how to update your phone number in Aadhar quickly. You cannot change a mobile number online without the existing number registered. You must visit a UIDAI Aadhar enrollment center for mobile updates in most cases. Carry your original Aadhar or printed Aadhar letter and a valid photo ID. Acceptable ID include PAN card, passport, voter ID, or driving license. Bring your new mobile number written clearly and a photocopy of your Aadhar. Expect to pay Rs50 as the official biometric update fee at the center. Find an authorized Aadhar enrollment center online and book an appointment if available. At the center, request mobile number update and fill the Aadhar update form. Provide your original Aadhar for verification and hand over the form. Staff will verify your identity and capture your biometric authentication like finger scan. They will enter the new mobile number and generate an update request number, or URN. Pay Rs50 and collect the receipt that shows the URN for tracking your request. Keep the URN safe. Use it to check status online or via helpline. Use the URN to check update status on the UIDAI portal or Aadhar app. Status typically shows as pending, processed, or rejected within about 90 days. If processed, download the updated Aadhar letter or masked Aadhar from UIDAI. If rejected, read the rejection reason and revisit the enrollment center with requested documents. Do not share your Aadhar OTP or biometric details with anyone for security. Update your mobile number across bank, passport, and government services after success. Contact UIDAI helpline or grievance portal if you face unresolved.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.